Okay, hello guys, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make money using MDogs and what you need to do um, in order to make much money from it. For you to grow on this platform, I will be showing you a step by step on how you can complete the taxes. So let's dive into it now. So click the link below for you to join, and I will show you everything you need to do once you are connected to it. So you just need to have Telegram. For you to get started with this, you just need to have Telegram on your, maybe on your phone or your laptop or any of your mobile device. Then once you have it there, then you will now click on the link. Once you click on the link, you open the link. The purpose of this video is for you to be able to make money also from crypto and also make money online. So now here's the Telegram. I'll click on launch. So I'll click on OK. So once I do that, I'll click on this place you see let's go. So once I click on let's go, I'll click on continue. Then once I click on continue, I'll just scroll down, and as I joined, they give me a 2,200 bonus for joining them. So once you do that, what you just need to do is just scroll down and go to this area you see taxes. So click on the tax like this one, just click on this, get started. Once you click on the URL, it opens. You close this, you click on check. So that's what you just need to do. Click on this next one again, you close it, click on check. So basically you just have to do all this. Once you are done with all the taxes here, if you go back to the top, if you notice, as I just started now, I've been able to make 4,000 MDogs. And once you are done with all this, you just have to connect your wallet at the top. But basically you have to do all this. Then if you want to make much money, you need to copy your referral code and send it to your friends. So how do you do that? Simple. At the end screen here, you are seeing a place where you say friends. Click on it at the bottom right corner. Once you click on it, just copy your URL, and once you copy your URL, you can now send it to any of your friends for them to click and join this platform. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you like it. If you like it, let me know what you want to learn about making money from crypto, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye. This is George Digitals.